Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can add vertices in Blender. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So if you are in the object mode, please go here and select edit mode or just press tab on your keyboard. That's another way, shortcut or hotkey. Now select here edge select or press 2 or 3 you can select face, and 1 you can select vertex. 1 2 3. So let's press 2 and now hold shift, and we don't even have to hold shift actually, just press this edge, click on it, and now you right click and select here subdivide, and now this you can add as many vertices as you want. I'll add 12 here and here, and I'll select this as well and right click and subdivide, and here I'll add 23. And now if you go to vertex select, now you see, as you can see, we have vertices. And now if you hold shift and select and press J, you can join for if you want. But overall, that's how you add vertices. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you.